So for my previous video, I have planned to you guys that in this week, uh, from the 15th of April, there will gonna be a pullback, a retracement for the euro and the yen. After the last week, it witnessed a huge dumped, huge bearish movement, and as I expected, the price has now reversal into a retracement of pullback, and the pullback is quite significant because you can see that uh, the the bullish retrace has like the pips same as the bearish. Like for the bearish, it takes around 180 pips, and the bullish, the retracement also somewhere around that. So it's a very strong bullish pullback, which is understandable because we can see that on a daily time frame there's a low over here, for so low on the higher time frame, suggesting that the the re, the trust, the importance, the significance of the support is very big. So there's a huge long wick over here, and then it reverses back. But in my opinion, in this week, we're going to see another bearish, because that this is a fake out again. Even though that we have a huge, a very big, huge, significant bullish run, but I believe this is a fake out. Even though that the price has broken the trend line and wrecked the highest price of the previous high. So let me discuss more about this. So for my previous plan, I still prefer, I still believe that the sellers are very aggressive on the euro and the yen, because when you look at the daily time frame, we have a high and there's a fake out, and the last maybe 2 or 3 weeks, we can see the price has not yet uh, breaks the high to confirm a new bullish run. So I still believe that the seller are still aggressive. And on the smaller time frame, on the H1, we can see that there's a this is the first run, the first bearish run, the second bearish run, and the third bearish run. So we can clearly see that there's a downtrend over here. I still believe that the participants of the market, they still want to shorting the euro and the yen, and so we can see that over here there's a high, and even though that this candle suggesting that it breaks the high, but it doesn't mean confirm, because you see that it's been rejected. And more clearly we can see the volume. So we have a high and then a breakout, but you can see that in the volume in here, it's very weak, very weak, yeah, compared to the real breakout. So if you see, you use indicator volume, and when you see a breakout, if you see there are a lot of bullish volume over here, then it's suggesting that it's a real breakout. But for now, I believe that this is a fake out, and it's only Tuesday at the moment, so market is kind of boring. And yeah, I believe that the price will also the bearish movement. Maybe it will form a head and shoulder pattern over here. So for right now, I still strongly believe that we are to shorting on the euro and the yen this week. How about the others? I think the others likely the same, especially the Australian dollar and the yen has already run. Yeah. So first bearish run, second bearish run, the price retraces back to the Fibonacci level. So that's it for this week. Happy trading.